NASDAQ this week has dropped in value, and we can see that the price started to drop down, and with this bearish candle where the price has formed this bearish breakout, expecting that the price will continue to fall even more down, and the next candle was expected to verify this bearish breakout as a valid one, where the price should not return back inside, which means above 17,600. But the next candle we can see on Wednesday the price returned back up, which means this bearish breakout was invalid and the price continued to rise in value in the opposite direction. We can see that the price touched 17326, the first support level below that, and returned back up. So after that the price continued to rise in value and reached $18,000, but also formed all-time high price, reaching the price above this resistance level and the supply zone. On the weekly time frame, this looks like indecision candle, which means inside the candle, which means the candle's body is inside the previous candle body, and that usually means indecision, where the price needs to make a breakout in order to rise in value or fall down. On the monthly time frame, this looks like a bullish candle because the whole month is being rising in the value, and this looks like this, a fully bullish candle with a small wick on the upper side. We have one more week until this month ends, and as it looks right now, this will close as a bullish candle probably, and there is a potential that the price could rise in value above 18,000 and close this month above, which means that the price has formed another bullish breakout above the very critical level, which means all-time high again for the NASDAQ. Now for the NASDAQ, there is nothing too much to say on the monthly time frame. Everything looks still bullish, and we should watch the weekly and the daily time frame. Now based on this one, a very important level in order to rise in value again, it is 18,000 on the weekly time frame. The price could not make a breakout above, and also the price did not return back below 17,600, which is a very important level for the weekly time frame. Now as it looks, the price is moving sideways for currently we can see 2 weeks, and there is a potential that the price could rise, could move sideways in the next week, but for that it is much visible here on the daily time frame. Now what we can see, after the price makes a breakout on the low side, we can see if it is invalid, the price returns in the opposite direction. Now this one here was not a bullish breakout because the price did not close above these two candles body open and close, but the price just stopped here and the next candle will return back down. Currently this is a very important resistance level for the price, and the price will probably jump between these two price levels until the price finds enough strength, buyer's strength or the seller's strength, that will push the price in the direction in their way. So if something happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group where the traders get the daily analysis when something happens on the market with the potential target where the price could move. If you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. Now as it looks here, the price have enough strength from the buyers to push even more higher. So here we can see there are some kind of a small selling pressure at this supply zone that is preventing the price from forming another bullish breakout to the upper side and reaching again all-time high. For now it will be a little bit hard for the price to make a breakout to the upper side. As it looks, there is no enough sellers pushing the price down, so I'm not expecting the price will return back down, and the price is currently in the uptrend, so everything is pointing that the price will continue to rise in value until we see the bearish breakout here below 17,600 and verifying this bearish breakout as a valid one on the daily time frame. I am still bullish oriented. I am expecting that the price will reach higher price levels. If something happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group during the week as a daily analysis. So this is all for the weekly analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.